Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today we're going to make a chili in vinegar. Gonna be super easy and if you have storage for the winter, it's absolutely delicious. And it's very easy guys. We need some chili. I choose this one, but you can choose any chili you like. I choose green, but you can choose red or both. It's both color. We need vinegar. This is apple vinegar, but you can use white wine vinegar or apple vinegar. I'm gonna use a little bit of sunflower, lemon, garlic. Make sure you have some jar. They already sterilized. And we start. This is very easy. We're going to do, basically, you're gonna take your chili. I don't want to even take this.
Stalk off.
Sorry?
Stalk off.
I don't want to take this stalk off.
Sorry. Emergency. I don't want to take the stalk off, he's trying to say.
Thank you very much. Anyway, we put inside like this, guys. Put the jar in this way, and just fill up the jar. I want to show you one. This we're gonna storage in the dark, where is the like room temperature. Example, guys, when you find someone's not very nice, okay, you're not sure, just take out, okay? Basically we're gonna do this. You can squeeze them. Yeah? And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com.
I'm Italian.
Yeah. Okay, now this one when is ready, you take like one by one and you cut it how much you need. And when they cure in the vinegar, I'm gonna add some garlic and lemon. I show you.
Without the stalk. Someone.
Yeah, they good. Actually, make some space here, guys. Put
Garlic.
a garlic, I forgot. 1 or 2. Some more chilies.
Did you put one garlic in there?
Yeah. And this, I think, is enough. And now, guys, we start put some vinegar inside.
Oh no. This is done. It looks like normal water.
Yeah.
On the chili side. But when there's not chili, it looks like vinegar.
Now, some lemon. It's very nice flavor this, Push inside. Another one. Push inside. A little touch of sunflower oil. And we finish again with vinegar. Yeah, try to squeeze them. They're gonna be inside, okay? Basically, guys, the job is done. You see? Look how beautiful it is. Now they're gonna marinate inside, because this we're gonna leave in the dark around at least 1.5 months, and later we can start eating. They gonna be absolutely, you can use when you cook it, when you do the way you make some salad, some sandwiches. You can use in any time. Important, they under the vinegar, okay? And this is the one. You close like this. It's not. Look how beautiful it is. Okay. I'm going to make another 2 jar I have here. Maybe I show another one quickly. Just put the garlic. We can put a little lemon now from the beginner. And just squeeze inside. This is not good. You know, I checked this million times already, but always I find someone, you know, is not perfect. Maybe another one. Okie dokie. Okay, perfect. Now the same. Try to put how much you can. Okay, and now again, vinegar. A little touch. I don't know this little touch, but my mom used to do this. That's why I'm doing it, but working. This half lemon again on the top, squeeze it, and finish with a little other touch. The vinegar, okay? Very easy, guys. Okay. Important, when you wash the chili, it's important you is very nice and dry, no water. Wow, look how beautiful they are. Okay. Guys, what can I say? Very quickly, this is my chili vinegar, garlic and lemon, like my mom used to make. And that's it. If you like, guys, finger up and follow us. Ciao!